here and here. White maybe. And the trusty cling wrap. Hi everyone, you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I just had a monumental failure and run my fingers through the paint like that, so there's OGX in there somewhere, and I'm going to use that as a base. And I'm just going to do a swipe, and I think I'll take it like this, and have carmine red, black white, excuse me, aqua and gold, and a kettle's just making me a cup of coffee, just ticked off. So get rid of all of this. It was a shame that other painting went haywire on me, because all intentions it was going to be a nice one. So I'm going to swipe this with the white. And some aqua. Any black? Ooh, a little bit of black, just to do that. All right. Now white. And I might just start from the top. There, so there's OGX in the carmine and the white. The recipes, I don't know if I said, you'll find below, show more under the video, and that tells you all sorts of things. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Come on. This, just getting a little bit of the colours, oops, on the edges. Right. Now, take it a bit that way. Take it over that edge. Now back to me. Round them off a little bit more. I'm working over this edge here too that I messed up on. Thank you. Quite pretty. Take this excess paint off the sides, and oh yes, that way. Whoops, come back. Huh? Very good, Susan. cloth for the fingers. I'm just changing over the gas bottle because it just ran out. Only takes a second. You're not in right, stop it. I'm pretty sure that's in. I'm very happy with that one. Goodness gracious, woke up with a frog. Oops. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm just thinking that I might just leave it as it is. Not mess with it too much because those cells are still growing, and I think that would make a lovely painting for a bathroom or somewhere. It's like coral under the sea, so I don't think I'm going to mess with it. Something on there, it looks like a horrible little patch. What have you got here on this corner? I think all my corners are done. They seem to dribble down a bit. And you just keep your eye on them so that they're covered. Right, so I really like this one, and just in this couple of minutes of messing around, those cells have really done themselves proud. So, got any nice colours coming off? There's some, just for that piece there. Right, so I'm going to wipe my hands off so I don't get paint all over the camera and bring you down to take a look. I'll turn it around so it's easier for you to see. Oops, slippery. Alright, and here we are. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. And I've got a battery going down on me. Alright, so as you can see, this is really, really pretty. I just love the way the colours have come together. And thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.